Here, time to catch the ferry. Oh, buddy, I'm ready for this. Here waiting for the ferry again. This will be the second time that I've actually taken a ferry to go car camping, and as you can see, it is absolutely cloudy here. I don't know how that affects the ferries, but I'm in line, and so it should get me across the water and one step closer to our new state park. Looks like we're getting ready to go. Time to get on the ferry. Okay, this was a little freaky getting up to this one. Kind of had to go up the right side. I think this is where I'm stopped. Time to just go hang out and wait till I get to the other side. So this is the second time on the ferry for me. I'm at the back of the ferry right now, just enjoying the view. Again, this is really fun to do, but it doesn't really shave too much time off of everything. But we're just going to enjoy it. Ferry works is it goes over to Vashon Island. That's where I am now, and then it goes over to Southworth which is where I get off. So right now they're loading on the cars from Vashon, and folks getting off at Vashon, and then we'll head out and get going back on the road. Just pulling into Southworth, and this is where we'll be getting off and continuing our trip to our new state park. It was a pretty uneventful trip, which is good, right? Because if it was crazy, then I'd be in some trouble. But this is nice, cool little ferry ride, and now it's on to the rest of the state park. So the car is all packed up. It is now time to go back to the ferry and take that back to Seattle. So I made the ferry. I'm gonna be on time. Let's see how it feels going the opposite way. So lane 3 or 4, I'm gonna pick 4, and then just park and wait to get on the ferry. Clearly I must be the rookie because I got out and took some video or took some pictures of the ferry, which is actually coming. I can see it right over there. But it's gonna be fun to get back on it. Man, I can't imagine doing this every day. It's cool and it's fun, but this would be a lot to do every day. here is absolutely beautiful. This was fun, taking the ferry back home. Just an overall interesting experience and just a great part of my stay at Manchester State Park. So we are about to pull into Seattle. The only thing for me to do once I get there is get off and go on home. So I'm going to wrap this up now. It has been a fantastic trip to Manchester State Park. If you ever get a chance to head out there, do so and treat yourself. Take the ferry. It'll be fun. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJEDEYE. And then, of course, you can always follow me on my website at RVJEDEYE.com. Get out there, explore, do something unique, like take the ferry to your next trip. Who knows? Maybe it'll be something that you really enjoy moving forward. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.